Hi dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to our YouTube channel HR Tutorials India. In this video, we'll see how to update particulars of insured person in ESI. How to update particulars of insured person in ESI. Every company with 10 or more employees with an individual salary of less than or equal to 21,000 per month should have an ESI registration, which we have already seen. For an employee to avail the benefits of ESI, it is the responsibility of the organization to update the particulars of insured person, that is name, family, details, address, bank, nominee, etc. in the ESI portal if there are any changes made. Which means for an employee to avail the benefits of the ESI, it is mandatory that employee details or particulars are to be updated in the ESI portal, such as name, family, address, bank, nominee, etc. if there are any changes from the employee's end. Let us now understand the process of updating the particulars of the insured person in ESI. In this video, we will see how to update the particulars of insured person in ESI. Step-by-step process to update particulars of insured person in ESI. In this video, we will be seeing both theoretical as well as practical step-by-step process of updating particulars of insured person. Let us now start with the theory part, then we will go into the practical part. Firstly, we need to open ESI portal esic.in, click on employer login, enter ESI username and password followed by CAPTCHA code. Close all extra windows that pop up since they are not important. After logging into the portal, under the category employee, click on the link update particulars of insured person. You can use this same process for updating particulars of any employee to the ESI scheme so that they can receive all the ESI benefits. A new window will open View Registered Employee Details, where we need to enter insurance number of the insured person and click on search button. Then the details of the insured person will be displayed below with an option which consists of the details of the insured person. Select the option and click on Edit button for editing of updating the particulars of the insured person. Now a new window will open where we can edit or update the particulars of the insured person, which are as follows: name, dispensary details, personal details and family details, address details, nominee details and bank details. So wherever it is required and a request is from the insured person, we need to update accordingly in these details. After updating the details, confirm the declaration and click on the update button. Thus the particulars updating is complete. A message will appear saying the same. After selecting the declaration and clicking on update, the particulars of the insured person are successfully updated in the ESI portal. Now let us move into practical process of updating the particulars of insured person in ESI. Open Google search, then type ESIC login. Click on the website esic.in. ESI portal will open. Then come to employer login. Click on employer login. Enter the username of the employer. Then comes password. Enter the password. Then type CAPTCHA. Then click on login. Now we have entered into employer ESI portal. Close these windows which are not important. Now under employee category, come to the option called update particulars of insured person, where we want to update the particulars of the insured person as per his or her request. Click on this. By clicking, a window will open where it will be asked for insurance number of the employee. Now we need to enter the insurance number of the employee and click on search. The details of the employee are displayed over here. So to update, select the option and click on edit button for editing or updating the details of the particulars of the employee. After clicking on edit button, a new window will open which is employee registration form 1. Here all the details of the employee are already displayed, like the name, date of birth, dispensary details, employment date, date of joining, address of the employer, all. If we want to make any changes in name, dispensary details, or personal details, address details, nominee details, family details or bank details, we can click on the options where a new window will open and we can enter the details and we can save it. Let us now see one or two options by clicking on name, dispensary details. By clicking on option, a new window will open wherein we can change the details wherever it is required and click on update button. In the same way, we will see how to change the personal details. By clicking on the personal details, a new window will be open wherein we can just select the personal details and change the personal details. Here we can change the father name or date of birth, etc. And after that we need to declare and click on update button. In the same way, we can just change whatever the details are required to change as per the request of the insured person. Now comes the family details also. Here also same thing. If we want to change the details of the family, we can click on here and we can change the details of the family member with respect to date of birth or name, etc. Then select the option that you are declaring everything is correct, then click on submit button. Then the particulars of the concerned insured person will be updated. So dear friends, now we have seen the step-by-step process of updating particulars of insured person in ESI, both theoretical as well as practically. If you have any queries or questions regarding the updation of particulars of insured person in ESI, please do comment in the comment section. I'll be happy enough to answer all your queries. And if you like this video, please subscribe and share among your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.